Because technology changes, you must keep up with the changes to remain digitally literate. Digital literacy involves having a current knowledge and understanding of computers, mobile devices, the internet, and related technologies. A computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory, receives data, processing, produces information. Digital literacy involves having current knowledge and understanding of computers, mobile devices, the internet, and related technology. A keyboard contains keys you press to enter data and instructions into a computer or a mobile device. A pointing device is an input device that allows a user to control a small symbol on the screen called a pointer. A scanner is a light-sensing input device that converts printed text and images into a form where the computer can process. An output device is any hardware component that conveys information from a computer or mobile device to one or more people. A printer is an output device that produces text and graphics on a physical medium like paper. Pointing device is input device that allows user to control a small symbol on the screen called pointer. Scanner is light-sensing input device that converts printed text and images into a form the computer can process. A display is an output device that visually conveys text, graphics, and video information. Speakers allow you to hear audio like music, voice, and other sounds like earbuds, headphones. Memory consists of electronic components that store instructions waiting to be executed and the data needed by those instructions. A computer keeps data, instructions, and information on a storage media. A storage device records and retrieves items to and from storage media and data needed by those instructions. The Internet is a worldwide collection of networks that connects millions of business, government agencies, educational institutions, and individuals. The World Wide Web is a global library of information available to anyone connected to the Internet. The web consists of a worldwide collection of electronic documents, each of which is called a web page. A website is a collection of related web pages which are stored on a web server. A web server is a computer that delivers requested web pages to your computer. Computer that delivers requested web pages to your computer. A website is a collection of related web pages which are stored on a web server. Collection of related web pages where web page is the web consists of a worldwide collection of electronic documents, each of which is called a web page. A browser is a software that enables users with an internet connection to access and view web pages on a computer or mobile device. A search engine is a software that finds websites, web pages, images, videos, news, maps, and other information related to a specific topic. A browser is a software that enables users with internet connection to access and view web pages on a computer or mobile device. An online social network encourages members to share their interests, ideas, stories, photos, music, and videos with other registered users. It is important that users protect their computers and mobile devices from viruses and other malware, privacy, health concerns, and environmental issues. Green computing involves reducing the electricity consumed and environmental waste generated when using a computer, which include recycling using energy-efficient hardware and energy-saving features, regulating manufacturing process, extending the life of computers, immediately donating or properly disposing of replaced computers. Recycling using energy-efficient hardware and energy-saving features, regulating manufacturing process, extending the life of computers, immediately donating or properly disposing of replaced computers. Immediately donate or properly dispose of replaced computers and extend the life of computers. Difference between computer hardware and computer software. Software is a core program, tells the computer what tasks to perform and how to perform them. Installing is the process of setting up software to work with computer, printer, and other hardware. Once installed, you can run an application so that you can interact with it. You interact with a program or application through its user interface. Installing is the process of setting up software to work with the computer, printer, and other hardware. Once installed, you can run an application so that you can interact with it. You interact with a program or application through its user interface. A software developer, sometimes called an application developer or computer programmer, is someone who develops programs and apps or writes instructions that direct the computer or mobile device to process data into information. In the course of a day, it's likely you use information generated by one or more communication technology. A communication device is a hardware capable of transferring items from computers and devices to transmission media and vice versa. Examples of wireless communication technology include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, radio. A network is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communication device and transmission media. Home networks connect to the internet, share a single high-speed internet connection, access photos, music, videos, and other content, share devices, play multiplayer games, connect game consoles to the internet, subscribe to and use VoIP. Business network facilitates communication, share hardware, share data, information, and software, facilitate communication.